Shiba Inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now in this video I'm talking about Shiba Inu price update. What's going on, what's the price changes occur in the Shiba Inu. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. Now the right now price changes update is completely going negative, but the price of Shiba Inu is still very low, and I think that is a low price coin, so that is still opportunity with all of you for investment, guys. 0.00007 USD dollar, that is right now price of Shiba Inu. Furthermore, last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes, guys, the whole changes of Shiba Inu is going negative in the market, guys. Anyways, now you can see here, if we talk about the changes, so the change is now Shiba Inu gradually, you can see in the latest situation the Shiba Inu start pumping, guys, gradually, but the changes is still negative, and I think in the upcoming hour changes will become positive, guys. So Shiba Inu is now going good, and my prediction is also positive about Shiba Inu, that in the October higher possibilities that the price will continue a huge pump. So that's why I recommend holding for all of you guys. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Shiba Inu? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.